What is up, everybody? I am Mumphy. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining. Today we got a video where I am freezing. It is cold here, but no snow. I mean, we got snow up on the mountains, but where I'm at, it is chilly. But I'm still bringing you a video. I got my gloves on. I'll try and keep as warm as I can. Today, this video is inspired by a fellow YouTuber. I've been following him for a little bit. He has been modifying his Tacoma. I love what he's doing to it. The only thing I may question him on is his color choice. I mean, come on, cement over quicksand. Come on, Aing. But hey, this is a shout out to Aing. His video covering his everyday carry, his EDC for what he does and what he carries in his truck. I figured I'd do one, so let's get into the video. All right, here we are. This is actually one of my favorite filming locations. It's a nice parking stall. It's got awesome views of the mountains, even though I got an office building, but hey, I mean, I can't argue with this view. I mean, check it out. Anyway, here we'll start on the driver's side and I'll show you what my EDC is in the truck. Open her up here. I'll bring you around, and starting off on the driver's side door, I keep a notepad, just pretty cool. I like having it there. Yeah, I know I can take some water bottles, but the Tacoma's got a ton of cup holders, so I figured, you know, I'll do something else down here. So what I got is my notepad. I do have kind of a face mask, scarf type thing, and that's pretty much it for the door. Now jumping in, it is kind of dirty. I do need to vacuum it out. But hey, I got a car flag. I am in Utah, so proud to support the Utes. So whenever they're playing, whenever football comes back, college football, we'll support the Utes for sure. And just kind of heading on in on the back of the seat, I've got more face coverings. This is a Schma. I like having a couple of these just around in case it gets a little cold where I'm out camping or up in the mountains. It's a great quick way to just wrap up your face. It's also pretty good in the heat. As we climb in, and my center console, I do have a couple more of those face wraps. And then I've got a pair of working gloves. I always try to keep a pair of gloves in the truck in case I'm helping somebody move, or if I'm tying down something that's dealing with a pallet or anything like that, so that way I'm not cutting up my hands. So having a pair of gloves is always a good idea to keep in your truck. As we move into the center console, I mean, I got my phone on the key charger, or the Qi, but I never have it turned on. The charger down there gets super hot and it's no fun, so I just have a short little cord that kicks on for my CarPlay. I can also show you what I carry just in my center console. Always carry some sunglasses. That's always good to have. I carry a flashlight. I have a couple of them. O-lights, I really like those. Carry some chapstick, spare knife, some change, and then getting out of the top tray, I keep my dividers. So I went with a 5 split on the tray, just because I like having bigger cubbies in the back and then still have the separations for some smaller stuff up front. Yeah, keep some extra stuff in there. Some more smell good stuff. Keep a spare set of sunglasses. Got measuring tape, because you never know when you need to measure stuff. Gotta keep those teeth clean, especially on the go, so those are actually pretty good to keep in there. Always keep some pain meds just in case, you never know. Got some hand sanitizer. Got some gum. Keep a little utility knife. Some backup stuff in there. And another multi-tool. And down in here, always keep a tire pressure gauge. Always good. And let's see what else we got in here. A couple of tie downs. So yeah, just the common everyday stuff that I like to keep in there. And that kind of covers the driver's side. Now let's go around and I'll take you over to the passenger side. Come around, opening the passenger side door. As we come in here, don't have anything down here. And yes, it is dirty, but hey, it's a truck. Climbing into the passenger seat, you can see that I do have, just some quick masks, just so I can quickly go into stores, whatever. And then opening up the glove compartment, I do have my tray. Keep a couple of sunglasses in there. I got my Alpha coffee patch. Great stuff, by the way. If you're into coffee, check them out. I do have a pair of camping utensils that I always keep in here just in case. I got some hand warmers. Got my paperwork and some napkins. And that pretty much covers the passenger side. Go around to the back. Alright, now we're back around to the driver's side. I'll take you into the back. I'll show you what I keep back here. Now we'll start off at the door again. I do have a couple of rags that I keep in just in case I want to wipe anything down with any of the cleaners. I do have a water bottle which is not full at the moment, but it's nice to have just in case. Coming in back here, I do keep a blanket back here in case I need to throw it across the seats, so that way I'm not tearing it up. I do have a dog, a couple of dogs, so I do have some dog hair which I need to vacuum up. I do have another schma, and coming down, I keep my tripod. And then the big obvious thing is my camera bag. I always take my camera with me. So I always keep a camera bag in case I need to take some awesome shots of the truck for you guys. The other thing that I highly recommend is keeping a small garbage can in here. Got this off of Amazon. Great little thing to have just in the back so that way you can throw away all your garbage. And then I do keep a scraper in the truck kind of at all times just because, you never know when you're going to need it. Come in back behind for the storage. Now, one of the things I keep back here because I find it very useful to have is some rope to tie down stuff. It's always good to have some rope. I do have a first aid kit. Highly recommend keeping a first aid kit in your truck. And then I've got a couple of bags of tie downs and zip ties, as well as some bungees. So I keep that back here. As we go up under the seat, I do have another emergency first aid kit down here, jumper cables, and another scraper. Just redundancies I like to have in the truck. I'll show you what I got on the passenger side. Now over on the passenger side, I do keep my front license plate up in the pocket, and just some miscellaneous stuff in there. And back behind the passenger seat over on this side, I do keep a blanket, a spare blanket, and then this is a jumper brick. And then those things I keep, these are just little massagers for when you're out camping. Hey, you got to relax somehow. Those are just a good way to help you unwind. Coming up under the seat, we just have the bottle jack, and it's just extended over. And some spare change. And nothing else in the door. Well guys, just a quick video, just kind of showing you what my EDC is in the Tacoma. Hopefully it gives you some ideas on what to keep in your truck, maybe for emergencies, or just your everyday items. You know, a blanket to throw down across the back seats, or, you know, some tie downs in case you need to put a load back in the bed. Hey, it's all good. What do you guys put in your Tacoma? Let me know down in the comments. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys are putting in yours, in your Tacomas. And we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.